This isn't roasted potatoes. This is wet potatoes. If your potatoes come out like this, you're doing 3 things wrong. I'm going to cut this one in half the long way first. Because these are pretty big potatoes, I'm going to get 4 out of it. That's 1, 2. And be careful here. You want to come in on an angle. Like that, see? But I'm going to do it on this side because I'm righty. And I don't feel like changing my camera. And I don't know how to do it anyway. And there you go. That's it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, as even as you can. I'm placing these in a bowl. I'm going to soak them in ice water for a half hour, 30 minutes. Get that starch off of those things. Starch equals no crispy. So make a decision right now. What do you want in life? All right, there we go. They're all in ice water. Make sure they're down as far as you can get them. About a half hour, like I said, 450 on the oven. Not like 451 and 375, 450. So if these are wet going in, you are not roasting, you are steaming. Let that sink in. And we want to get this skin part dry too because it's part of the potato. Look it up. It's in all the children's books. I have a very big mixing bowl and I'm going to throw these in there and show you what we do next to keep the crispy and not the steamy. Less than a quarter cup of olive oil here. Do not soak them. You're not going to cover them all this way. You're going to cover them all flipping them. If you can't do it this way, you can use your hands. But this is the only way you're going to get good coverage and an even brown and an even crisp. And I'm just going to do salt and pepper. You can do anything you want. You can go garlic powder, cumin, I don't care. A little bit here and there. Here's a half a teaspoon to start. And another half a teaspoon to end. You see, we're not oiling them when they're in the roasting pan. It's too late. This way, each piece gets coated evenly. No oil, no crust. Too much oil, now they're greasy. Right in the middle, baby. That's where you want to be. Salt, little pepper, and done. I have a rimmed cookie sheet. Now, do not dump them in, place them in. Give them room to breathe. Let oil to hit that heat and have the heat hit it evenly. One more time, you're not steaming, you're roasting. That's what this is all about. Space and a little time. And of course, great potatoes and olive oil stuff. All right, let's go in. All right, look at that. That was the bottom. They're roasting, midpoint. Flip them over another 12 minutes. Nice and crispy already. Finished product right there, folks. Listen to this crispiness. You hear that? That's not sandpaper. That's a well-oiled, well-roasted potato. And I told you it would be billowy inside. If your potatoes have been coming out like this the first try, I mean, yuck, floppy, white, cooked, but who would want to eat this, right? They're steamed. Then you got to go the right way. You see the difference? I mean, it's right here. It's right here. That's it. Get slicing, get roasting, and get eating.